beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to talk about the Jerusalem artichokes. I was fermenting them for 3 weeks and now they are ready. So I'm gonna open my ceramic fermentation crock and we will see what is inside. And if you'd like to find out more about the Jerusalem artichokes, you can check my video above, and I also wrote a blog article, so I leave it in the description for you. I always like opening the ceramic crock because I never know what is inside, and this is beauty of fermentation. You never know what the final result will be because it depends on the temperature and on different sort of things. So let's see what's in it. Okay, shall we have a look? So I can see it release loads of water. So let me skim it off and I will see what is inside. Okay, and I remember now, it was the weird occasion when I didn't have cabbage leaf left, so I usually put cabbage leaves on the top, so making sure everything is submerged, and I only have like lettuce. I believe this is iceberg, so very random. I put some iceberg lettuce on the top. So let's undo the iceberg and see more. Okay, and this is what we've got inside. So it released quite a lot of liquid. So let me put it into glasses and I will show you. Okay, and now we've got the final result. I actually grated them, so you can chop them up, you can grate them, you can do whatever you like. So next time I think I will try to cut them into pieces to have like bigger chunks, but for now it can sort of resemble cabbage or something like that. So I also put some cumin in and a bit of turmeric. If you've got fennel, you can try fennel. And why it's good to ferment them, because it should really help with the gas symptoms. They can give you loads of gas, and the air bubbles should go into fermenting, and I can tell you it was bubbling away. So I believe some air bubbles escape. If you can see the rim, it was topped up with water, and I can see like bubbles on the water, and I can hear it too, so it was interesting. Okay, and this is the final result. So I've got 6 mason jars, sort of 5.5 really, and yeah, I'm gonna enjoy it soon. What I find out, I also put some yarrow leaf, I remember now, so it's there nicely. And just in case somebody is really curious what fermented iceberg lettuce looks like, here we are. And let's have some sample. Good thing about fermentation is you can keep the crunchiness and crispiness of Jerusalem artichokes this way. So let me have a nibble. Yeah, it's crunchy, it's got really nice texture. So you can either grate it, so it can resemble sort of fermented cabbage, or you can just cut it into pieces. I think I will try cut them into pieces as well, so maybe I do half and half next year. So this goes straight to the fridge, and it will keep me going for some time. And let me know in the comments below, what do you do with Jerusalem artichoke? So what are your favorite recipes? So let me know in the comments below, what do you do with Jerusalem artichoke? So have you tried them before? Are you going to try it? Did you find the fermentation useful? Did you find it helpful to eliminate the awkward gas problems? I am really curious to know. So leave me some comments. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Share with your friends and family. Spread some love. And that's all from me. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.